Hey yarn friends, and welcome back to the Lopsided Crafter, where the stitches are squishy and the tension is optional. Today I'm showing you how to work the Tunisian Crochet Long Tail Cast-On. I'll walk you through the return path so you can jump right into your projects like the boss that you are. Here's what you'll need: some yarn, a Tunisian crochet hook, a decent tail, and we'll get more into that, and your favorite beverage nearby, because this is the Lopsided Crafter and hydration and caffeine are life. So you might be asking yourself, why this starting method instead of the traditional chain? Well, this cast-on method gives you a stretchy, polished foundation row that looks suspiciously like you know what you're doing. It's perfect for shawls, garments, or anything where you want your base to flex and not fight back. And the best part, it flows right into your return path, so you can get to the fun part, building that beautiful Tunisian fabric. Cast on loosely, Tunisian curls even when it's in a good mood. Start with a slip knot, leaving a very long tail, longer than you think you need. This is your tail, and this is the working yarn coming from the ball of yarn. Hold the yarn like a knit long tail cast on. We're going to put the tail over our thumb, and we're going to put the working yarn in our index finger, like this. Insert the hook through the yarn and under the thumb. Grab the working yarn, move your thumb over, and pull it through. And I like to kind of hold my finger here on this loop, not to make it too tight, because you do want to do this somewhat loosely so that your stitches don't gather. So again, you're holding your yarn like this. Bring your thumb up, go under and put that hook through that loop. Grab your working yarn and pull it through. Again, bring your thumb up, hook through that hole, grab your working yarn and pull it through. And that is simply how easy it is to do the long tail cast on. Keep going until you got the number of stitches that you need for your project. Okay, this is where we do the return pass, which in Tunisian just means you're going back to the start of the row. Making sure that you are using your working yarn and not the tail. You yarn over and pull through one to create a chain. Yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, all the way back until you have one loop left on your hook. Think of it like climbing down a yarny ladder. One big step, then a bunch of little ones. This cast on isn't just pretty. It gives your work flexibility, which makes it perfect for wearable pieces and projects that you need to move with you, such as cuffs and collars. So that's the Tunisian Long Tail Cast-On with the return pass. Easy, stretchy, and ready to roll into your next row. Have you tried it? Tell me in the comments what you're making. Like, subscribe, and click that bell so you don't miss a stitch. And follow me on Instagram at the Lopsided Crafter for behind the scenes yarn chaos. Until next time, stay lopsided, stay creative, and may all your return passes be smooth. Bye, friends.